Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun learning videos every day. Now let's get started. Visit to the aquarium. I went to the aquarium with my family. Again, I went to the aquarium with my family. Your turn. I saw bright orange fish swimming slowly. Again, I saw bright orange fish swimming slowly. Your turn. Very good. A big turtle moved gently in the water. Again, a big turtle moved gently in the water. Your turn. Very good. I loved watching the jellyfish glow. Again, I loved watching the jellyfish glow. Your turn. Very good. It was the best day ever. Again, it was the best day ever. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Let's get started. What is an aquarium? Option 1. A place where fish and sea animals are kept. Option 2. A swimming pool. And the right answer is option 1. An aquarium is a place where fish and sea animals are kept. Name one animal you can find in an aquarium. Very good. Question 3. Why do fish need water in an aquarium? Option 1. To drink only. Option 2. To play. Option 3. To live and breathe. And the right answer is option 3. To live and breathe. Very good. If an aquarium has 5 fish and 2 turtles, how many animals are there in total? And the right answer is option 2, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So there are 7 sea animals in total. I hope you got all the answers right. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences and also answered so many questions. Now it's time to meet in the next video. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama again? I'm excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.